stronger. I don't even know.
I'm not lie to you still, like big woman thing. I'm not talking to no one about. Me do me cut off Jayden for good. Me done. Me done. Me just done Elena. See what you see level where this gone? Done the whole thing then. You see?
Yeah, joke thing, bro. Joke thing. Because you're there and you see so we are good people, we are do the right. And it's like what you do, it's like you try to do something for people. It's like you tell us, say, yo, you need to dip on a level. I had always, like you know what we there. It's like you tell us, say, boy, if anybody do reach up on the top, and if you do reach by your level a little bit past your level, you go hate them. You develop a little bad mind. Me see where I try. And me tell you about it already.
Yeah, for real.
You see me I say? And I like you do things friendly or you call nobody or tell nobody say, yo, you know say me go do this? No, bro. I'm this him, I make a video on this him, bro. Let me tell you, because I never like him, I call up my name. I mean, have it as bad mind. Because everybody love me, everybody love how I come out. A lot of people tell me how I perform. So why him never come and say, boy, do you know? I'm not like still in you, rate as an artist. See him like how Jabas them and kick it with one name there. And them everybody can come and say, yo, never know see everybody in music in a youth, your body fuck. And look how long me I tell Jayden and say, yo, see song there, give me a rare. No, you rather come and a disrespect way which I get.
Always I bring me down. Always I bring me down. Elena, always I bring me down. I just
you not see good way you do.
See me? Watch this now, Dino. You see what him do right now? Him a talk about him come out and come run joke. Never see Jabas come out, come do them type of thing. Yeah. You get what me I try to say? Jabas never come out come this way. I make you look any type of way. Right now, you know, say he look he make people call the girls, so I call my daughter, so right now. So how him feel about that, you know, say him have a media style, my daughter. Brother, I don't want nothing to do with him. I done it done. I don't care what nobody want to say. I
mean, no fun people them not gonna like with what we are say right now, but we don't give a fuck, bro. Because them not tell him what him do. Them like what him do. Alright, all you hold them out here. So quote your mama.
Well, you just know say me done with it. Me don't want to have nothing to do with it. Me don't want nothing to do with Jay. That me I tell you, when I read people.
I get involved. One of them about no get involved. So no say Jayden not disrespect me. Why you no go over there and say Jayden, you know say you're on the youth them. I'm not like before you go to youth and tell the youth say dog. Ray, personally, I don't know say that. But trying to rate him.
That them are gonna do. Them are gonna come out against we. You get what me I say? We give a fuck for a little bit of them because people on the app have sense. Whole heap of people on the app have sense and them I walk my seat long time. A long time them are this way. You see thing is this, oh you go come out for media can't tell people say we have our all clothes. You get what me I try to say? The clothes and every little thing about me. So people constantly are put me down, bro. So
and then when you're there on me, you feel alright. Oh, me that pre-Jayden, them respect him a fuck. Me rate him a fuck. And you know say, the whole of my youth, them, bridging them on me, they run. Most of them, not everyone, but majority of them I say, yo, Dino, I don't know what the fuck you parry Jayden, you know?
Right.
Jayden, about him, Jayden, a bows in a youth. And I tell you this in a Dino, if you continue part that the youth, then we're going to start pre you. And I say, you see it though? And no could have never stop me from par the dog. I saw me that pre the dog. Saw me that pre. I tell my brother them say, yo, no man, Jayden I want cool youth. And everything on the hear about him, goes off it true. I saw me talk about the youth in my community.
Too.
But I never expect you to come out and talk about Dina this and Dina that. It'll come like what you say. My people, I go start praying now and say, yo, Dina, you see it? You see that?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Me say your comment. Bless your comment for true, right? It might bring me down for views. You understand me? I say we are a person where him live pan for the views. So what him do now, him are the person where troll we and bring we down. And it's the same people them started to laugh and use you and bring we down. You understand me?
Yeah, bro. Yeah. At least, alright. When say we can't expect better, at least they run with dog. You can't they run everybody and this everybody. You have to get disrespect back. So even, at least when you say my disrespect we are disrespecting back. Should I say, alright, then it's quit sword. Me that do the same thing. Anybody with up on the live, we You know say on the around Jayden and Ray. I not live good with a person disrespect you know. You not gonna disrespect him back. So fear of fear, bro. We not gonna accept you. Yeah, chat about we say that we not gonna chat about your back. Yeah, chat about your back. You see me I say? Yeah, bro, in a real life.
I don't give a me not give me care when no one come over here come say no. I don't care about Jayden views. The only thing me said, me I do a thing, him I do film thing. We now no hard feelings against nobody. We just a do our thing. We know nobody a call with him. You get what me I say? Move on with the local family and do what I have to do. Me not hate nobody, but me just know say you now go this my family and you now go this me youth and me I go laugh up with you. Argument done. You understand what me I say? You say me say me rate a charge. Me rate a charge, that me I tell you. But so when you style me, I just know me draw a line. And I draw a line. Me don't give a fuck for enough for uno pan this because I'm a hypocrite. You see me? I don't give a fuck for enough for uno pan this because I'm a hypocrite. You get me?
Yeah, man,
me social media all along I do my thing. So if me say, yo, me done right now because you diss me, and you diss me pitney, I write this so the thing there. Right? And this so the thing there. You can't be my friend and you style my youth. Or me for laugh up with your kiki. And me and your big friend. And you style my own youth.
I trust me, anytime I go back to Jawasa, I don't want to run him youth. Not go stay far, bro. Say, me see me in a club, me not nothing, you know. Me not depend on war with no youth. Because me not pray for damage you. But you disrespect me, and me go disrespect you. So you say, me see you come back and disrespect me, me go come back and disrespect you. You see me I say if I this with this, I this with this youth. Until me I go just know you make you run with my name, dog. Because me never come out and say nothing bad about Jayden. Yet in a real life until you come and say something bad about me. Well, me never expect it because when me see you, every time I see you, dog, and me and you they close to close, one another, side to side. And me rate you, me would never come and chat about you. All when me see you toad the through your shoes. All let me see you toe the through your shoes dog. Me now go come and say for me, I say, yo, you know, say me see Jayden and him toe the through him shoes dog. And me go say, yo, Jayden, what kind of shoes that me see you wear? No, bro. You see, before me even come and say, you say me that person would I like to talk about them thing there. Me that rather come to your person and I say, Jayden, dog. What kind of thing that you wear, dog? Maybe you think different in a youth. Do better, man. You see me I say. So if you have me as a real person around you, as a real virgin, and you have me as a person who you rate.
That person
you not going to come for me.
Have no understanding. You tell them, see you, make sure I black you myself. And I have no understanding. I rather live with no understanding.
When I look on it, dog do things for clout. But trust me, and everything you have to pick up and do for clout, you.
Move from me.
You see me I say? Because at the end of the day, you go do it and do it and do it until you do it with somebody where that somebody where you go do it with, I go disrespect you so fucking bad youth. And you go feel fuck up in yourself, you know, say, bro. You go trouble wrong somebody, and somebody did this in a way where it will hurt you. Fuck. So even if a joke you run, bro, you can't run them joke there with anybody, bro. You see me I say? No, Jayden never do me nothing. I me never do him nothing. So even for the year me say something about him, me not do him nothing. So you see me wanna have him, I see me wanna have everybody. So you see him like how be there, I talk about me and Anya and everybody else, and we there I talk about. I saw him for the
people want to say, you know. I say me just like how him saying black, in black maker, black me same way. Right? We not hate the man. And I say me hate Jayden, you know. I say me no have nothing to do with it. So if you no want ball over that, or no have a problem over that, that's fine. Me just say me no have nothing to do with him. Nothing no wrong with that. Me I stand up for my family. You get me? So no for no pussy out there, have a problem, brother, on stay with no problem. Me I stand up for my fucking family. Me no care what none of no want say. Me Kabu, I walk up her mouth and talk. You see me realize, my reactor me Kabu come out, come talk her mind. You understand what me I say? Right?
Alright, you know.
Me I do what me have to do for my family. My family come first.
You can go.
You get me?
You back out Jayden live, man.
You can't look at me and tell me, say, you rate me and continue this with fucking family. Right? So I don't care what uno want to say on the media. Me I do nothing. Uno run with anything that a phone business.
Alright, you know again, support your mama, all a black ya. I'm glad I want to come this morning and show up on the body now. That me love.
Yeah man, keep on the circle small. You can't invite man in a circle and if them come, as them come and watch you, them come and...
No. Let me see. How if you done with? How if you done with? Remember, me never address it. I know me no company live. Just my company live and attack, you know.
Woman bring down woman, bad mind, energy. People are watching and I look for see you go down.
Yes, support your mama. Come on from my life. Whole lot. Yeah, man. Me want get rid of. Me I say, whole lot negativity them me I get rid of now. Me that say me not black on me alone no make no go and chat cause more talk alone.
Your family.
But me I get rid of.
That's all me I do. That's all me I do. That's all me I do. Nobody not hear me I come out here rape and nobody me just stand up.
Yeah, man. When I give a fuck.
You understand me?
If Jayden is serious about it, I see me can't say we're not serious about it right now. You see me I say?
We can't say same
It look like we not take it serious.
Same way.
It look like them in a chat take it serious. They get two mango. You have to come feet, you know. You see me I say, all this. Yeah, man, I want to get rid of. I just see negativity, me they just want to show up on the true colors. Let me get rid of now. You see me I say? You see me I say? So just hold them, man. You don't want to steal with the black too? What I get? Yeah, thank you, Shanetta. Black you all of them, right? Yeah.
Black them, man. Moderator, if me don't know, moderator, tell me if I can manage my chat. Or me just lock down my chat. Me not talking with nobody. That
me say some of them just build page just to come say bad things.
You see me? Me not care who don't want to support me. You see the look a bit of people them would have support me. I know if it stand up for me youth, and then me I go with. I don't give a fuck. You get me? Eldino, you know what I'm glad? Yeah? I'm glad Mika Bo come out contact you for yourself because them pussy I know them have it all long say me set up my pitney with Jayden. I don't give a fuck. Mika Bo a big girl. She contact you yesterday. Straight out. Yeah. You see me? Yeah. The man a deal. You get me? Only thing they know. Of course, a deal. Remember me that I see you. Come out, come this side. What you say?
Yeah, daddy I see say Jayden and do like say yo, you love the girl and Ray and Ray. But pity really and truly I use the girl and.
And that thing me not do.
And then when I use the girl, still. Yeah, when I use the girl still avoid you and keep herself to herself and I make no fuss about it. And you come and I call up a girl named dog. That's how make a girl feel hurt, bro. You say me, I go the same thing make Fabi left a blood clot to dog.
Style, really do. You get what me
say? Really and truly, bro.
Style, like literally, I know what him do. It's like he tell himself said, okay then, you know, want to think on the media and he want a relationship private with her. And she keep it private because she never tell me nothing. You see two of them move, Eldino. They would have never make me know nothing about them thing. You get me? But what him do now, he constantly come out here so can style her upon the media. But when you see her in person now, it's a different style.
Get bigger, bro.
You mad,
man. He look clout. Clout, he look, bro. Clout. You know the people them there behind you, you know the people them rate you. You know say you can't get clout by disrespecting people and use people, bro. And you do it. You see me I say? So,
man, man know what I do. You know exactly what I do. We just don't want him around my family no more, and that's okay. I don't care if nobody wants to vex. I don't want him around my family.
Really and truly, him say, yeah, a year on you know, honey. I not nothing in him. Say, a year do you think you know. And him no rate how Jabas good rate it too. So, expect say Jabas I do him or Jabas I do you. I study people, you know. I'm smart, fuck you. So I'm there on people, I study them and fuck me, make sure observe. One never see me stand up and I never observe, so bro. You see me I say? Yeah. Me never, and that's why I'm come out and I say
things. Ever hear Jabas come out, come talk about we saw them look somewhere. The only thing me feel away, me pre-thought and me I say, oh God. But Jabas there, so Jabas would already help we. Jabas would already help we. You get what me I say and push we. Yeah. Me not understand why you end up come always. When you come, you always are this way. You will close or we have on. You understand me? Chat about each and every one.
Alright, you know say me Jabas and Jabas rating.
Never do that.
You know say me Jabas and Jabas rating. But guess what? Make him this Jabas. Make him call up Jabas name in a certain way and hear how Jabas deal with him. You know why I'm rate Jabas? Because you know so Jabas deal with him. Jabas will run him with any given time.
I will.
Jabas, we run him with any given time. Me I tell you that. And why him not go try do that with Jabas? Because him the run Jabas enough for know Jabas background for know say Jabas is a youth we take things serious.
Yeah.
Probably him see me as a cool youth, make him feel like him can just call up my name. You see me I say. But me I tell you the truth. It will be a time when him can't say nothing about me. Me I tell you.
Alright, brother.
Me I tell you youth. Me I tell you youth.
Look here, look here, I tell you said it again. When I fight against nobody on the app, you get what me I say? Just that you have to draw a line, and me just draw a line with my family. You understand me? My family and my family. I'm not going to make nobody fuck around my family. You see me? Right? A long time it go on. We did it and we cool. We talk about it. We call you up on the phone. We tell the man straight up, say, brother, you don't like certain joke or not run or whatever.
And you still.
Right? And you still.
And I like when I complain and you still, bro. So that for sure say, yo, you don't rate me. And then when I don't make the people them look like, say,
you understand me?
we are the pussy.
Right.
And that make the people them look like, you know, like, we are the pussy. You say me, I say, and some people them come over here and chat and defend him. You say me, I say, me no rate them thing the youth. And me no care what nobody wants a youth. So call to all our no mama. So call to no mama. I'm good with my real people. My people them will understand me.